Sometimes you just want to draft something pretty and aesthetic. Today is definitely not that day, and today we are creating a monster. And okay, that's pretty cute start. Maybe it won't be that bad. Jowl book. It's pretty on its own, but why this combination? Rainbow loricate ears? What does that even mean? I guess just tiny ear holes? Never mind, skip. Bongo eyes. I was really hoping for horse like for a base, but oh well, another bird. A love bird for the nose. God help us. This looks terrifying. Pygmy? Rabbit legs? Not that bad. Gopher feet? Feels a bit too basic. Anteater tail. A poodle cold. Well, I guess it's time to turn our boy into a total diva. Whistle color? That's actually pretty cool. And extra amazing. Oh, bruh. I'm done with this shit. And if you thought this was ugly, the actual drawing process is just getting started. And I can't promise it will look any better. Alright, I'm just chatting away here, but maybe I should actually introduce myself. Hi, I'm Idzins, a Polish girl with multiple interests. While I mostly draw and plan to keep this channel focused on art, you might see some of my other ideas here from time to time because my brain just never rests. Anyway, those who knows that I love creating cursed things. Funnily enough, I've never actually used this generator by Tuimis before, which I highly recommend, but clearly hates. But well, you move on and you create monstrosities. By the way, sorry for my English in the previous episode. I was insanely stressed since it was my first time in front of camera. Luckily, I'm just as stressed today. But at least you can see it since I don't have to show my face. Anyway, back to the video. I wanted to record more fun shots for you, but my iPhone ran out of storage. If you know any good way to transfer files directly from iOS to Windows without using cloud storage, please let me know. I would really appreciate it. Anyway, back to it. While you're watching me struggle to make this work, let me ask you a few questions. First of all, would you like to see more videos using random generators? And if not animals, maybe D&D characters? My boyfriend and I recently made a random D&D character generator, and I was thinking about making a video out of it. So let me know if you like that idea. Or if you have any art challenges for me, what to combine or what to draw. I'm always open to your crazy ideas. I love silly stuff like this. This video is pretty short, but here's the final masterpiece. What do you think? What should we name him? I was thinking about Maurice or Wiesiu. Let me know in the comments, and I see you in the next episode.